Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to craft a Nautilus shell in Minecraft. For that, we just need some puffer fish. Let's just take 4 puffer fish. We need after that to go to crafting table and put them just like that in a block. And as you can see, I have successfully crafted a Nautilus shell. And you may ask, guys, how did you do that? Because you cannot craft a Nautilus shell in vanilla Minecraft. And yeah, of course you cannot. But the thing is, guys, I'm using a data pack for that. And you can find this data pack in my Telegram channel. I gave you the link in the description. You just click download data pack and you save it on your PC. And after that, you install it to your Minecraft world. And you can use this data pack on any Minecraft world and any Minecraft version you want. To install data pack to your existing world, guys, you just need to select your world and click edit. Here we need to open world folder and the folder is opened. Yeah, and here we can see data packs folder. We need to open this folder, and after that we just need to drag and drop this file that you just saved on your PC. We moved that file to the data to the folder, and after that, yeah, that's it basically. The data pack is successfully installed. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.